All right, so congruent line segments, we have a symbol to look out for. They use dashes for identifying congruence with line segments. Congruence is a word that you use to mean equal for when you're talking about shapes. You use the equal sign when you're talking about numbers. You use congruence when you're talking about two equal shapes or two of the same shape. So in this case, we have two of the same line segment, so they're denoted by these dashes, these pink dashes here. Now, they could give you 1, they could give you 2 or 3 here. As long as they have the same number of dashes, that means that those two parts happen to be congruent to one another. Very important is the symbol for congruence. It's an equal sign with what's called a tilde on top, but it's like a little squiggly sign. That's what you would use to talk about a shape that is related to another shape as far as being equal. So we're going to go down here. They have the same measure. Okay, so here's a perfect example. If you look at these three sections of segments, you have 3 different shapes or 3 different distances, and the pairs match the number of dashes for what it's pairing up with. So you have the double with the 1, you have the 2, and then you have the 3. Okay, so we're on to example 5. Write the equation and solve by using congruence. So in this picture, without even reading it, I can see that I have a single dash and a single dash. That means PQ and QR are congruent, and they actually tell you that here. Okay. So it wants me to find the value of X and then find the distance all the way across. Wait, nope, they just want to find the value of X. So set both of these equal to each other and then solve. So 6x plus 20 equals 2 times x plus 6. And then you just solve it like you would a normal equation. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and solve it up here. 2x plus 12 equals 6x plus 20 minus 2x both sides. 4x plus 20 for the left, 12 is on the right, minus the 20, 4x, let's go down a little bit further. Okay, equals negative 8 divided by 4. X is negative 2. Now, x can be a negative number. However, you cannot have a negative